Hello, in front of me I've got IIYAMA G-Master. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage monitors menu. To enter monitors quick menu, press enter button. Now you can switch between picture adjustment, input, sound, another picture adjustments, color adjustment, image adjustment, language, OSD menu, display information, or you can reset all. To navigate through it, press left or right arrow button. To enter menu, press enter, and to exit menu, press exit. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.